अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक इंडो चाइनीज़ स्टार्टर डिश, ड्रैगन चिकन। बहुत यमी है, बहुत इजी है, झटपट बन जाता है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। तो यहाँ पर मैंने लिया है 300 ग्राम्स ऑफ चिकन, जिसे मैंने स्ट्रिप्स में कट किया है। तो अब इसमें कुछ चीज़ें ऐड करेंगे, जैसे कि 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट, हाफ टी स्पून पेपर पाउडर, 3 tablespoons मैदा, 1 tablespoon कॉर्नफ्लोर, क्वार्टर टी स्पून बेकिंग पाउडर, 1 अंडा, हाफ टी स्पून चिली फ्लेक्स, 1 टीस्पून विनेगर, रेड फूड कलर 1 पिंच, बट ये कम्प्लीटली ऑप्शनल है, 1 टेबलस्पून तेल। इन सब चीज़ों को एक साथ चिकन के साथ मिक्स करिए and let it marinate for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Cover the bowl with a lid and then let it marinate. You can either keep it in the refrigerator or outside. If it is more than an hour, then it's best to keep it in the refrigerator. You can even marinate and leave it overnight in the refrigerator. It's been an hour now, so let's fry the marinated chicken strips. Take a kadai, add oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add the chicken strips, marinated chicken strips. One by one, fry them in batches always. Do not overcrowd the kadai. Keep the flame on between low to medium. We want the chicken to be cooked inside as well. Keep turning over, and once they turn golden brown, remove to a plate and keep it aside. Keep frying in batches till all the chicken is completely done. Once the chicken is fried, remove the excess oil, just leaving around 2 tablespoons of oil in the kadai. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste or 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Saute for a few seconds and then add 4 dry red chillies. Saute again and then add 1 large onion sliced finely. Keep the flame on medium and saute till the onions become soft. Once the onions become soft, add a mix of colored capsicum and green. 1 capsicum is enough. Slice it and then add it to the onions. If you don't have colored capsicum, add green. Saute for a minute. Also add 1 green chilli slit. Now add the sauce mixture. I have added 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. All of these sauces contain salt, so we won't be adding too much of salt to this. We have also added salt while marinating the chicken. Here you can add a little bit of water if you want the dragon chicken to be more saucier. So what you can do is you can add a little bit of water to the sauce mixture, else just the sauces. So add just quarter teaspoon of salt at this point, and to balance out the salt, add 3/4 teaspoon of sugar. Saute for a few seconds and then add the fried chicken strips. Mix well. While mixing, keep the flame on high so that you get that crispy effect. Add 1 teaspoon or so of white till, that is sesame seeds. Mix well. You can add more till while serving. Mix and serve hot. Dragon chicken goes very well with fried rice and noodles, and by itself as well as a great Indo Chinese starter. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment as well. Please share my videos within your family, friends and relatives. Hey, I forgot to let you know, ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.